What's going on, everybody? We did it. We hit 1,000 subscribers. It's freaking insane. We are at 2,000 right now, but our next milestone will be 5,000, and then I'll do a community poll for that. But as you guys voted right here, I'm getting shot once by all my guns that I have in my collection, including my dad's, and I'm gonna let my entire family shoot me once. And hopefully they understand that it's only gonna be once. If they shoot me multiple times, I'm gonna be pretty upset. But I'm gonna be getting shot by. Everything's all ready. You see the drill because I'm not getting shot by the freaking drill. I'm just fixing up the airsoft arena while I was prepping this video. These are all the guns. This adventure has been crazy. I'm glad that I did it. I'm glad that I started posting my MWS content because it's been a wild ride and it's barely begun. And I love you guys, and let's get this video over with. I'm gonna be over there. I'm probably gonna be where like the tires are.
Why? And we stand here.
Yeah. Here. I'm gonna pick the first guy. Let's do this one. My baby. I'm gonna do my baby first.
Oh dear God.
I'm getting over there.
Try and aim for the back.
Get it right in the butt.
Miss!
You missed.
It's curving up.
Yeah, the wind.
Miss!
Mom don't know what she's doing.
No.
Approximately 10 hours later.
She shot it twice and missed both times.
Go figure.
No, it's not.
Go figure.
No, I'm going until I shoot.
Huh?
I'm
So
going
she's
until
going
I
until she
shoot
shoots.
and I hit. It's the wind. It's not helping.
Yeah, definitely the wind will.
It feel the wind?
No.
Turn around.
Whatever. You get 2 more shots.
You get 2 tries. Don't miss.
This thing's heavy. Gotcha. Huh?
You didn't get it.
I hit your leg.
Then he didn't feel it.
Mom,
I'm not even ready.
He's like, I'm not even.
I don't care. The closer the target, the better. The more pain.
You just have to keep reloading it every time you waste.
Well, then put the 2 in, fool.
Well, you only need 1. You only need 1.
No,
Fuck.
I need multiples.
We're gonna be here forever. On
Well,
the first
then
fucking
put
night.
in more than 2.
Go again. You keep missing. Go again. Oh, you got him that time.
You hit my hood. Yes. I felt it tip my hood. I guess
I
you.
hit your pant leg too.
Next.
The thing's cold and heavy.
Alright, FPX is down.
I don't know how to shoot this. That's cold.
Alright, go.
Go.
Oh, fuck me. That sucks. Okay, go. Ah, fuck.
Gotcha!
That one sucked. Got my shoulder blade.
Next.
Oh, fuck.
I think I'm liking this now.
Got my damn shoulder. I guess it's technically my back. Fuck.
Just be glad she's not hitting what she's actually aiming for.
Yeah, I'm sure she's not aiming at anything.
It's so here. You have the wind up. Oh dear.
Okay, now aim at my back, yeah?
Go. Higher.
You're getting all the non-lethal areas. What the fuck?
Mom would be the worst person to go to war with.
Yes.
Mom would get us all killed,
You
bro.
wouldn't hit water if you fell out of a boat. It's a good thing you've never gone out there with me.
It's okay,
No.
Mom.
No, this is not my thing.
Oh, here's Big Daddy. Time for Big Daddy. He's not happy about this one.
Oh my god.
This one's painful.
Give me one side.
If you hit him, if you get him good with that, go. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, it's ow! He wanted to make sure we didn't spray his ass.
Yeah, I put a couple in there because I knew you guys were gonna go fucking trigger happy.
Just a bit.
Oh, there's more in there. Why? It's not hit shooting.
Let me stop talking shit because I might be worse.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hold on. Okay. No. Call your hit, you cheater! It's curving off hard to the right. It curved around him. Now you want to talk shit? Go ahead and fire that way and you'll see it. It goes like it curves off to the right.
I was aiming right at your head.
And that's a big target. We all can't miss that.
That would have hit me right there. What are you talking about? You guys are just bad.
Okay, there's no wind. Hurry, go. Stop talking.
Bend no wind.
He gives us 3 shots. Hope you like the exercise. Go.
Fuck. Thank you. Fuck. Is that too much to ask? At this point, I want the fucking pain. God.
He's like, I've been waiting for it for so damn long.
God. Come on, man. Every single bullet hit the fucking target. Jesus
I
Christ.
have a problem.
Hey, you should have seen me and Mom.
Horrible.
Just one round?
Uh-huh. One bullet hit me right in the fucking back.
Go again. All right, you're good.
I'm aiming for your head. I hit it.
Yeah, you hit me in the... Oh, fuck. Here's your gun. Fucking monster of a fucking...
Like it in the butt. That's what I was looking for.
Beep, beep, beep.
All right, go.
Why the ass cheek?
Damn, your ass is gonna be
I hit the
sore.
other side.
See?
Yeah, you hit my other cheek. Oh, fuck. Alright. I'm going far back for this one. Give me 1 sec.
In there, so.
Right there. I hit it right in the neck.
And just film Vanessa. She wants to shoot.
Yeah! This thing is gorgeous!
There you go. Fuck. My ass cheeks hurt. My leg hurts. Everybody got their shots. My mom got to shoot me. Vanessa got to shoot me. My dad got to shoot me. I hope you guys like this. 5,000 subs will... 5,000 subs will be soon. Hopefully you guys like this shit. I'll catch you guys later.